Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing for Ipsy and for Macy's beauty box. These are two beauty subscriptions that I subscribe to. I have the upgraded version for Ipsy, so not the $10 a month one, but the $25 a month one, because I just like full-size products in my stuff. And then the Macy's one is really good, and this one is $15, but with tax it comes up to like $16 a month. So before we jump in, if you're new, please make sure to like and subscribe, just so that you don't miss any of my videos. I create videos on fashion, on traveling, on food, on makeup, on skincare, on lots of stuff, lots of good stuff. So stick around and let's jump into this video. Here we go. So this is the Ipsy one, and again, this is for November, and this is the $25 a month one. And you just kind of open it up and it opens right into the products. So super easy packaging, which I appreciate. And it has a little insert here. It says, "This month, dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of you." I like that. And then it has like a little insert on all the information and all the products. So that's cool. Okay, first thing I'm pulling out of here is the GIGI Gorgeous Bronzer Duo. So let's see what this looks like. I hope I have good lighting still. Yeah, I have good lighting. Don't break it. Come on. I broke it completely already, which is great. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so here is the Duo Bronzer. This is in Turnt and Extra. Oh. Okay, well this looks pretty good. It looks pretty promising. So let's put this back in here. And this is what? A Sculpting Bronzer Duo. Okay, so next up we have, what is this? A cream? What type of cream? Oh, a lipstick, okay. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. It's like a very wine burgundy color. It's called Smoking on Screen. And it's very pretty, okay. So I'm assuming that this box is a little bit more like risque, you know, like just kind of like stepping out of your comfort zone, if you will, which I like. It's pretty cool. Okay, next up we have a Punk Volumizing Mascara. Ooh, so I like the brush already. Doesn't have like a weird smell. Am I like the only weird person that smells mascara? Probably not, probably not. There's a lot of you out there. I know, stop lying. Stop lying. Okay, so next up we have this natural blush palette for all skin tones. And it's vegan, GMO free, and gluten free, and it's not tested on animals. This is from SERAPHINE Botanicals, and it says Happy Hibiscus. Okay, how do we open it? Oh, here we go. Ooh, this is really pretty. So it looks like there's two shimmery colors. Let me take this off. So these two colors kind of look a little bit shimmery, and these look more matte. So that is really, really pretty. And I can definitely see this working on a lot of different skin tones. So I appreciate that. Very cool. I was actually looking at a blush palette to take with me to London and Paris this Christmas, so I might just take that one. Okay, I think this is the last, semi-last thing here. This is Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. Okay, so the packaging is very nice. Oh, wow. How luxe. And I'm assuming, wait, how do you, I don't want to break you. Oh God, okay. Do we just, oh, okay, here we go. Oh, voila. Voila. How fancy. Okay. And what exactly is this for? Hydrates and smooths the skin. Okay. Alrighty, well, I'm all about that skincare, so this box was pretty amazing. It also comes with like a little pouch to put all your stuff in, so that's pretty cool. I'm liking it so far. It is pretty bold. I mean, I don't usually wear burgundy colors, but I like to kind of venture out sometimes, you know, color outside the lines, if you will. So yeah, that was Ipsy. Now we're gonna jump into Macy's beauty box. But before we do, take a quick pause here because I know for a fact that my camera is gonna overheat, so just please hold. Oh wow, it's so dark. Let's try, okay, here we go. This is much better, right? I hope so. I hope this is better. Here we go. Okay, so now we'll jump into the Macy's beauty box, and it's this one right here. This one is the $15 a month one, and this is again for the month of November. I should have just opened this before because it's so difficult to open sometimes. Here we go. Okay, we are in, guys. So it usually comes in some pink paper like this, and it has a booklet that has all the information on the products and a coupon, either $5 or $10 off, and all the information on the products. Okay, let's jump right in here. First thing in here is this My Clarins Recharge. Oh, it's a sleeping mask. Okay. Oh, okay. So a little sleeping mask. And of course, this is more sample size stuff. My other box is a little bit more like full size, and this is sample size most of the time. Okay, this here, the next thing I'm picking up is this liquid lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Crush. Ooh, Crush. I'm all about those nudes, baby. Love that. Okay. Next up, we have this Better Than Sex mascara, which I'm super into mascara right now because I've been putting a lash serum on my lashes and they have been ba-va-boom, right? Ba-va-boom? No, ba-va-boom. You know what I mean. Ba-va-boom in it. So yeah, I'm super excited about that mascara. Okay, next up we have this Kiehl's Calendula Serum-Infused Water Cream. So that's it, and oh my gosh. It doesn't really have like a weird smell. It looks kind of like, can you see that? Kind of looks a little blurry, right? Huh. It's kind of like gel-like. It's weird. Okay. Next up, we have this Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm Temporary Eye Tightener. Temporary Eye Tightener. That kind of sounds a little bit permanent. Like if they say temporary, it's like, why do you have to put temporary in the description? That's really weird. I'll have to look more into it before I put that on my eye, because that's just, you know, like around my eyes. That's weird. Anyway, 2 perfume samples, one cologne and then one perfume. So I really like that because then I get like Freddie to try new stuff too. And what is this? What is this in this box right here? It just says Macy's Beauty. Ooh, this is really pretty. Oh. Come on, open up. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Well, it's a beautiful compact and it's a jeweled compact. Oh, it has like a plastic on there. That's why it looks weird. And then voila. How beautiful is this? It's a little heavy too, which is kind of good, kind of bad. I don't want like anything in my purse to kind of weigh me down, but it is a beautiful compact, so I have to like bring it with me everywhere now. So that's everything that's in here. Mascara. Let's see, let's make sure. Mascara. Liquid lipstick, mascara, water cream, recharge, the relaxing sleep mask, the instant firm eye, and then the two perfume, the perfume and cologne. Wow, that plane, do you hear that? It's like super loud. So yeah, that's everything that I have in my subscription boxes. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, please give it a thumbs up if you did, and comment down below like what is your favorite item that you saw. Like, have you tried all these products? And if you have tried some of these products, like what's your favorite? Let me know. I will be doing Vlogmas this year, so just keep an eye out for that. It's gonna be more episodic rather than like doing the whole 25 days of Christmas. So as many as I can put out, I'll go ahead and put out like videos. As many videos as I can put out, I'll go ahead and do. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.